So, you just wind your arm backwards in a big circle, release right at the bottom, and follow through. You got that? Just wait a second.
Like this?
Yeah, you got it. Jax! Are you alright, Gangle?
Ow!
Why do you always gotta do this? Unbelievable. You are unbelievable.
Hey, Gangle. I think I found something you might like.
Oh, right, of course.
I don't know if it'll work, but it's the same shape as yours.
Oh.
Best part is it's plastic, so it won't break as easily. Try it on. How's it feel?
It feels normal. Like in a good way.
That's good, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Zooble.
So what if I am? I'm not giving any to you.
When did I ever say anything about that?
I think you'd look good with one.
Well, I guess it's possible.